Welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, in this video, I'll be teaching you what you need to know about how to open margin trading accounts on Binance web or desktop app. Margin trading is for professional traders, but if you know how to trade cryptocurrency margin market on Binance, you will make money because Binance has so many tools to help you make informed trading decisions. Please, if at the end of this video you find it useful or helpful to you, subscribe to the channel to help me grow it faster and hit the notification bell so that you can be receiving my new videos. Without wasting time, let's go on to the topic of the day: how to open margin trading account on Binance website or desktop app. The first thing that you have to do is log into your account, the accounts that you have created and verify. You can watch our video on how to register a new account on Binance and how to verify your new account on Binance. So after that, you log into your account. When you log into your account, you hover on trade. When you hover on trade, then go and click on margin. When you click on margin, the first time it's going to give you a questionnaire that you need to answer. It is this questionnaire that will prove to Binance that you have knowledge of margin trading, because it's a risk type of investment. It is a trading that involves a lot of risk. As you can gain a lot of money, you can also lose a lot of money in margin trading. So Binance needs to know that what you are going into, you have knowledge of what you are going into. So they will bring out a questionnaire that you need to answer. The number of questionnaire depends. So you need to answer, and when you answer, you need to get it correctly. You need to get correct answer. So when you get the correct answer, your account, your margin account will automatically be open. And once your margin account has been automatically open, you will come to this margin trading terminal. As you can see, we are on margin trading terminal now. We are not on spot. We are on margin. We have two types of margin trading: cross margin trading and isolated margin trading. There will be another video for that. So when you have done that, you have opened your margin trading account successfully. The next thing is to fund your margin trading account. So you hover your cursor over wallet here at the top here, wallet. Then you move to margin. You click on margin. You click on margin. So this one will take you to your margin wallet where you can fund your margin account. So as you can see here, you can fund your cross margin account. You can fund your isolated margin account. You can borrow. You can repay. You can transfer. You can see history more. Let's click on more. You see, there's a lot of insurance fund, beginner's guide, isolated margin tier, margin data. But the first thing, since you are opening it for the first time, is to click on transfer. When you click on transfer, you can transfer from your fiat or spot account. I have not told us what future trading is all about, but let's say at this moment you'll be transferring from fiat and spot account. Then let's say we are transferring to cross margin account. So we choose the currency that we are transferring. Let me see, Matic. Yes, let's say I'm transferring Matic Polygon. Then I'll put the number of Matic that I'm transferring, but because I don't have I have insufficient balance. So assuming I have enough balance, it will show me confirm. Immediately I confirm it, this money will be taken from my fiat account, from my Matic fiat spot wallet, and be transferred to my cross margin wallet. Matic token will be added here. We'll get to mark that. Let me show you. You have a lot of them. Just where I can search. So I know here my Matic balance will show up here, but that money will be taken away from my fiat and spot account and be credited to my margin account. So that's how to open your margin trading account, how to fund it. That is the first two steps that you have to perform. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share with your family and friends and like it, comment on it. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. The link to open margin trading accounts will be in the description below. Anytime you want to open, don't forget to click on the link because it will take you directly and it will give you a chance that you are clicking the right link. Thank you.